Well, the new Traeger Flatrock Griddle Grill is finally here, and that means it's time to go shopping for new barbecue accessories for the Traeger Flatrock. Today we're going to take a close look at one of my favorite essentials kits from Traeger. Hey y'all, today I'm chatting about a couple of the Traeger flat top griddle accessories. These were sent to me by Traeger to check out. I'm going to open the box with you and see exactly what's inside and think about how we could use it with the new Traeger griddle. So before I get started, let me just move my camera so I have a little space. All right, so last summer, we had a hibachi party. Like, this hibachi specialist guy came and he brought a griddle and he was going all nuts, like flinging, well, he was like shooting sake at us. He was like flinging rice, flinging steak, hibachi steak and stuff. So I cannot wait to make fried rice on this thing, the Traeger flat top griddle. It's gonna be a lot of fun this summer. Let's see, we have three main things here. There's a flat top grill scraper. I'm guessing it's this one. It says hand washing recommended. This is pretty cool, look at this. Hand washing recommended. This accessory is for flat top griddle use only. It's exclusive. It's very heavy in a good way. Heavy in a good way. Look at this. Can you see? Can you see? I can't tell if you can see. Okay, next up we have the flat top spatula set. And it again says hand washing recommended. All right, look at this. I feel like it's like cooking, but I'll need choreography. We're gonna have to like do something with them. Okay, so two of them. You know, when you go to a hibachi place, they're like flinging all the stuff up, the eggs. We need to get, what are those chef's hats? We need a chef hat so we can like fling up the thing, catch the egg in our hat. I wanna make the little like onion volcano thing, so I'm really excited for these. Okay, now two things are left. These are cute, Traeger color, of course. And these are pretty important to get started with too, because that's how you spray the oil and then throw your food on top of it. And I know it says water too, so I can't wait to get into it a little bit more. Again, so these are the squeeze bottles that come in this pack, and it does say hand washing recommended again. Okay, so we got 2 bottles, 2 spatulas, and this is a scraper for the food at the end. You can be like, you know, those like old lunch ladies. That's what I picture. Or do you picture like a nice greasy burger spot, like pushing all that junk off? So anyway, I'm really excited to get using these, and I'll see you in the next video.